In today's video, I'm going to teach you about two leading charting platforms, ChartIQ and TradingView. These tools are essential for traders aiming to get the most out of their market analysis, but they cater to different types of traders with unique needs. Let's delve into what makes each platform distinct and how you can choose the one that fits your trading style best. Let's start with TradingView, a preferred choice for many retail traders worldwide. One of the reasons it stands out is its easy-to-use interface. Even if you're new to trading charts, its design makes navigating through different tools and features a breeze. With a vast array of indicators available, TradingView allows users to customize their charts according to their specific trading strategies. This can be especially useful if you're experimenting with different approaches or if you have a particular method you're refining. Now, another huge draw for TradingView is its active trading community. This platform isn't just about charts, it's about connection. You can engage with other traders, share ideas, and even exchange scripts. This collaborative environment can be invaluable, providing insights and potential new strategies that you might not have considered. Moreover, TradingView's versatility shines through with its support for multiple markets, including stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Whether you're focusing on a single market or looking to diversify, it offers the flexibility you need. On the flip side, there's ChartIQ. This platform is known for its robust customization and integration options, catering predominantly to brokers and financial institutions. If you're working within a professional environment that demands bespoke solutions, ChartIQ could be your go-to choice. Its advanced features allow for tailoring that meets specific institutional needs, something crucial for organizations that require precision and bespoke functionalities. However, it's important to note that ChartIQ isn't as beginner-friendly as TradingView. The focus here is more on providing a powerful toolset for professionals rather than fostering a community. So, if you prefer a platform where you can not only access advanced tools, but also feel part of a larger trading community, TradingView tends to be better suited for that purpose. In summary, while both platforms offer exceptional charting capabilities, they serve different audiences. TradingView stands out for its accessibility and community support, making it ideal for individual traders who are just getting started or are looking to be part of a larger community. ChartIQ, with its detailed customization options, is better suited for institutional and professional settings that require tailored solutions. Thinking about your needs and trading style will help you determine which platform is the right fit for you. Whether you lean towards the collaborative and user-friendly atmosphere of TradingView or the professional customization capabilities of ChartIQ, both tools have something unique to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this has helped clarify your decision on which charting platform suits your trading needs best.